I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmad Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will share with you the very important point why Albert Einstein was very intelligent. Why Albert Einstein's brain was very active. Albert Einstein, who is a very famous scientist, famous for E equal to mc square equation. In fact, he got the Nobel Prize. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1921 and got it in 1922 for photoelectric effect. Today we will see that what made Albert Einstein very intelligent. And every young chap, every young child, every student in the college, professor, teacher, they wish to be like Einstein, and every parent wants that their children should be like Einstein, very intelligent. I'll tell you. The human brain is located in the center of the central nervous system. It controls all the voluntary and involuntary activities of the body. The adult human brain is 1.4 to 1.5 kgs in weight. And the cerebral cortex of the brain has got 14 to 16 billion neurons, whereas cerebellum has got 50 to 70 billion neurons. These neurons are connected with several thousand other neurons, and these neurons, they communicate through axons. The entire brain is protected in cerebrospinal fluid. In our brain, there are 100 billion cells which works automatically throughout the life, throughout the day and night, to know, to see the color of the flower, to see the color of the fruits, to get the flavor of the fruits and food and beverages, as well as to recognize the lovely and sweet voice of the beloved ones. I'll tell you, these brain cells, they are interconnected to each other through number of neurons. And these neurons, as you know, they communicate together through axons. In case of Einstein, Albert Einstein, these brain cells were well connected. Wonderfully, the creation, Albert Einstein, the creator connected the brain of Albert Einstein so beautifully that his intelligence is remembered even till today. And people will keep on remembering out of his intelligence. Scientist Celerod, in his book, 3rd edition, Essentials of Anatomy and Physiology, he writes that anterior portion of the frontal lobe, that is prefrontal area of cerebrum, is responsible for motivation, initiation of planning, aggression, for speaking the truth as well as lies. So it means that the Albert Einstein's intelligence was due to well-connected brain. Scientist Celerod is talking about this fact today. But glorious Quran is talking about this fact in 7th century, 1400 years before. Kalla la illam yantahi lanasfa bin nasiyah nasiyatin qadibatin khati'ah faliyadu nadihu sanad uzzabaniyah. If he desist not, we will hold them, drag them by holding the forelock hair. What is the forelock hair? The lying sinful. For excellent activity of the brain, 115 grams of glucose is required, same amount of phosphate is required, and to 10 to 15% of oxygen which the body consumes of that is required. And it is noticed that hippocampus part of the brain, which generates new memories, long run memories, which stores the memories for a long time, it works well when person gets a sound sleep of 8 to 10 hours. Remember, the students and the people who wants to be intelligent, their brain active, they should sleep minimum 8 hours to 10 hours. But remember, not more than 10 hours also. And it is noticed that the brain activity is maximum when person is calm, quiet, relaxed, free from tension. And the brain activity gets spoiled with the heat of anger, the lust, fatigue, and distraction. So, in short, the brain, which is responsible for activity, emotion, thought, language, etc., it has to be protected very well and should be used properly. And if we use it properly, then God willing, we will be, children will be, and the person who is striving hard to get the knowledge one day will be better than Einstein. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.